Hey, Mr. G here, and I'm going to show you all the notes on a sixth string, all your root notes. When you're playing bar chords, you need to know what your notes on a sixth string are. So that's what I'm going to show you today. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video. Now, when you're playing bar chords, depending on what note you're on a sixth string, if you're playing a sixth string bar chord, that determines what chord it is. For example, if I'm here on the sixth string, third fret, and I'm playing this G, if I play a major, sixth string major bar chord over that, it'll be the G major. If I were to play a sixth string minor bar chord over that, it would be a G minor. So whatever sixth string bar chord you're playing, major, seventh, minor, it depends wherever your root note is on that sixth string determines what exactly a chord you're playing. So it's a good idea to memorize these notes. And I go through my other videos and I show all sorts of different bar chords. But this one's really important, just to take some time out and just memorize these notes and be familiar with them. It's going to make your guitar playing a lot easier when you are playing bar chords. Now, I'm just going to go through up to the 12th fret here. But you can also, memorize going up to whatever your fretboard ends at. Maybe it's the 21st fret. But for bar chords, a lot of times, for me personally, 12th fret is about well, as far as I go for six string bar chords. For five string bar chords, a lot of times I go a little higher. But for six string, that 12th fret, just with my big fingers, it gets kind of tight after that. So I'm going to take you through, and we'll go through those first 12 frets on the sixth string. And like I said, try to memorize these notes. Now, the first thing we need to know is that the first note is just E. On that sixth string, that open note there is just an E. And then if you're on the first fret, that is an F. On the second fret of the sixth string is either an F sharp or a G flat. That third fret on the sixth string is a G. That fourth fret on the sixth string is either a G sharp or an A flat. That fifth fret on the sixth string is either an A or that's all it is, an A. That sixth fret on the sixth string is an A sharp or B flat. That seventh fret on the sixth string is a B. That eighth fret on the sixth string is a C. That ninth fret on the sixth string is a C sharp or a D flat. That 10th fret on the sixth string is a D. And that 11th fret on the sixth string is either D sharp or an E flat. And that 12th fret is an E. Now, the interesting thing is, we're just really going through the first 12 frets, but when you get to this 13th fret, it's just like starting over on the fretboard. It starts back at the F and walks all the way up. It keeps going, right? So once you hit that E on the 12th fret, and if you were to go to the 13th fret, it's basically going back to the neck of your guitar here at the first fret, and that's what it is. That F on the first fret is that F on the 13th fret. That F sharp or G flat on the second fret is a F sharp or G flat on the 14th fret. And that G on the third fret is a G on the 15th fret. And you can see how it just kind of walks up from there. So these are good for you to memorize, the practice, and it'll make your bar chord playing a lot easier if you have a clear understanding of what notes are on your sixth string. So take time out to work on this, to memorize it, okay? And again, this will be helpful when you look at my other videos on bar chords. It'll really be helpful for you. Again, don't forget to subscribe and like, and check out those other videos I have on the bar chords.